Hi, Pre-Ks, happy Friday. Are you ready for the last pages of our workbook? Let's go. All right, we're starting with some number practice. Get those numbers looking good. Now here they have 7, 8, and 9 looking fine. So take your pencil, pinch, pinch, pinch at the point, point, point. They give you the quantity, the number, and remember we're working on number words. Start on the first circle, go over and down from heaven, makes the number 7. Go from the circle to the star, and you'll go far. Practice your number 7s. Come back when you're ready for the number 8. Round the gate and around the gate makes the number 8. Start at the circle, go to the star, you'll go so far. Practice your 8s. Put me on pause and come on back when you're ready. To go on to the number 9, a circle in a line makes the number 9. Start at the circle, go to the star. That'll take you very far. Do a good work on your numbers 7, 8, and 9. Today, writing practice, you can do anything you like. Some of you are still working on those first names if they're very long, or your last name, middle name, mom, dad's name. This week I was doing the 5 senses. I did the eyes, the ears, the tongue. I think today I'll do the nose, nose. So I'm going to write that word nose. Under the airplane, to the grass, half a rainbow makes our lowercase n. Our circle's going under the airplane line for the lowercase o. S snakes to the left, to the right, and down to the grass, and E is over to the airplane and down to the grass. That's my practice today. I wonder what word you'll be using to practice. If you don't know how to spell it, ask Mom and Dad. They can help. Now we're working on the upper and lowercase n's for nose. There we go. Now, here they show you the airplane line very clearly. The uppercase N, we don't have to worry too much about the uppercase N in the airplane. Starts at the sky, down to the grass real fast. Starts at the sky, a diagonal down to the grass, and then back up to the sky. Those diagonals are pretty tricky. Let's try it again. Start at the sky, down to the grass real fast. Back to the sky, a diagonal down to the grass, and back up. Work on your uppercase N's. Have some fun. Come back when you're ready for your lowercase n. The lowercase n, you have to think about the airplane line every time. So start at the airplane, straight line down to the grass, and a half a rainbow. Start at the airplane line down to the grass, and a half a rainbow. Gives us the lowercase n. We found out that all of the lowercase n, all the lowercase letters, we have to think of that airplane line. Now let's read the directions. Circle the pictures that begin like nail with the letter N. Now our key words here for the directions are circle. That's a great direction word. Not put an X on it, not put a line. And the S for pictures, there's more than one. When you read the directions, be very careful to watch for the direction words. Here it's circle, and the S for pictures, more than one. They begin with an N. Now, luckily, they give you the starting letter of each of those pictures. You don't even have to think about it. So see if you can figure out the things that begin with N. Put me on pause and come back when you're done. Does your paper look like my paper? Nuts, nest, and net. Great job on the letter N. Now we're working on some more numbers. The numbers are a lot harder than the letters. They combine straight lines and curved lines all the time. So start on the 6. Go down and pick up sticks. Make the number 6. Start on the circle and go down to the star. You'll go very far. When you're finished, start on the number 7. Over and down from heaven makes that number 7. We're practicing those numbers. Start at the circle, go to the star, you'll go far. Do your best work, and then come back to the number 8. Around the gate and around the gate makes that number 8. We want to keep it in that grid. That's the sky line, there's the grass line. Start at the circle, go to the star, you'll go very far. Do a good job with your numbers. Come back when you're done, and we'll do some counting with those numbers. Kathy always gives you a number line, and in kindergarten you might have one on your desk. You might have one in the classroom. There's going to be them on the walls, all over. Just look for that number line so that you can get the numbers in the correct direction. It's hard to remember which way they go. All right, we're going to be counting these yo-yos. I always cross out when I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It looks like my marker's seen better days. Let's grab another one of those. Try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to make that number 6. Go down and pick up sticks. I'm going to start at the sky. We practice those numbers. Down and pick up sticks. Makes the number 6. That's why we practice them. Now we are getting good at them. Try the guitars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I start at the sky. Over and down from heaven. That was a little crooked, Kathy. Makes the number 7. I bet you can do better than that. Over and down from heaven. Makes the number 7. All right, count the wagons and the softballs. Now there's 2 hidden over here. They got cut off on my page. Maybe not yours, but count those as well. And when you come back, see if you get the same numbers as Kathy. All right, look and see. Did you get 5 wagons and 8 softballs? Then you are correct. Good job. Let's go on to the next page. Now we're going to be matching up the things that go together. So we're going to look at the picture on the left and think, what goes with that birthday cake? I think you know what goes with a birthday cake. A party hat, right? All right, look down at all the things on the left and see what goes with the things on the right. Put me on pause, and when you come back, see if it looks like my paper. All right, we're back. You have the cake and the hat. Good job. The bed and the nice comfy pillow. The dancer and the shoes. The hat and the boots. The feet and the socks. The toothbrush and the toothpaste. Well done with things that go together. And the last page on our book this week, we finished it. Has to do with opposites. We know all about opposites. You need to be able to opposites on paper, opposites when we ask you the question. So let's see how we do today on the paper with opposites. The opposite of full is empty, and the directions take to circle the picture that shows the opposite. Is it A or B? If you circled A for empty, you are correct. Put me on pause and come back and find the answers. All right, are you ready to see if you match my page? Let's see if we both got them together. We said full and empty, lots of apples, none. Loud and, oh, I thought, is she loud too? Oh, that would be matching, too loud. No, we want opposites today. Loud and quiet. Slow and, ooh, that snail is slow, right? So slow and fast. Over and under, not on the side. Wet and, he's still wet. Wet and dry. How did you do with your opposites today? And yay, we finished another week of workbooks. Well done, pre-Ks.